turned out to dust in the heavy air. Scars on my knuckles, names on the list. Every last hater fueling my fist. I was built in the blackout, storming my chest. Turn every setback into my rep test. You talk big talk, I just add weight. Stack one more plate, make the ground quake. I break my limits, I don't break down. Turn all my losses into my crown. You throw that shade, I turn the flame. Say my name while I run this game. I break my limits right here, right now. Every you can gets buried loud. You want the throne, come take this smoke. I'm the line you don't cross. I'm the line you don't cross. Blood on my tongue from biting back rage. Now I write it in steel on this iron cage. Every dark thought I bench that weight. Push through pain till the fear comes late. I don't chase clout, I chase that grind. You post your flex, I sharpen mine. Day one doubt is still stuck, still talk. I turn their words into concrete chalk. Same four walls, I made them shit. Same old rules, I watched them brick. Hear that voice inside my skull. More, you ain't done at all. I break my limits, I don't break down. Turn all my losses into my crown. You throw that shade, I turn the flame. Say my name while I run this game. I break my limits right here, right now. Every you can gets buried loud. You want the throne, come take this smoke. I'm the line you don't cross. I'm the line you don't cross. They prayed I fold. I stayed ice cold. I took that doubt, turned it into gold. You feel that burn? Good, stay there. This is what it costs to breathe rare air. I break my limits, I don't break down. Turn all my losses into my crown. You throw that shade, I turn to flame. Say my name while I run this game. I break my limits right here, right now. Every you can gets buried loud. You want the throne, come take this smoke. I'm the line you don't cross. I'm the line you don't cross. Wake up, lace up, same grind, raised up. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Sweat drip, steel grip, clock says quit, I still rip. Bite down, blood taste every rep, race stakes. Came from the quiet, turned to a riot, wrote my own name. You just recited, talk is cheap, my scars are sign. I don't chase hype, I run time. Built from pain, I don't break, I bend. Every loss I take, I use it, I ascend. Heart like flame, won't fade, won't end. If it hurts right now, then it pays in the end. I'm built from pain. Built from pain. Say it again. I'm built from pain. Discipline daily, hunger never lazy. Vision in my head so sharp it can phase me. I don't need luck, I need labs. Stack small wins, turning them stacks. They fold quick when the weight gets heavy. I get calm when the ground goes shaky. Self-made spine, hold that line. Pressure on me, that's my sign. I don't break, I bend. Every loss I take, I use it, I ascend. Heart like flame, won't fade, won't end. If it hurts right now, then it pays in the end. I'm built from pain. Built from pain. Say it again. I'm built from pain. One more set, past that limit. One more mile, run straight in it. If fear talks loud, I talk louder. Turn that doubt into power. that face, I've been sharpening pain to a breakthrough. Turn every scar to a map of the places I came through. Heart on my sleeve, that's my armor, I bleed truth. Fear in the room, but I move like I can't lose. Sweat on the floor, but I swear that it feels smooth. Pressure on my neck, but it caught me a clear view. I was made in the crash and the chaos. Every you can't just pay cause the chain's off. When the weight on my back feels fatal, I walk it off, then I turn it to halo. Yeah, I got fire in my veins, I don't break, I burn brighter, brighter. Turn my losses into flames, every fall makes me rise up higher, higher. You can throw me in the dark, I'll be my own lighter. Ain't no limit on my name, I was born to be a fighter. I got fire in my veins, fire in my veins. You can stack the whole world on my shoulders, but I still walk through the soul, getting bolder. All of these doubts that were living inside me, I evict those. Turn maybe later to right now. I don't tiptoe, took all the almost the next times, made them big goals. Now every setback is set up for the big show. They said I'm too much, too loud, too raw. Good, let me be what they ain't ready for. I don't pray for a path for the perfect floor. I just lace up and get through every broken door. I was built from the cracks in the pavement. Every rocket they threw, I just saved it. Stack 'em high, know I stand on the same bricks. Look me in the eye, see a flame that won't quit. I got fire in my veins, I don't break, I burn brighter, brighter. Turn my losses into flames, every fall makes me rise up higher, higher. You can throw me in the dark, I'll be my own lighter. Ain't no limit on my name, I was born to be a fighter. I got fire in my veins, fire in my veins. You can stack the whole world on my shoulders, but I still walk through the soul, getting bolder. Tell me where the line is, I'ma step past that. Tell me what the cap is, I'ma stretch that cap. Fear in the rear view, I don't look back. Knew I had the light when the room turned black. Every you fail, turn fuel in the tank. Every wrong word put strength in the ranks. Every low night made high ground game. Now I write my name in the middle of the flame, let it rain. I got fire in my veins, I don't break, I burn brighter, brighter. Turn my losses into flames, every fall makes me rise up higher, rise up. You can throw me in the dark, I'll be my own lighter. Ain't no limit on my name, I was born to be a fighter. I got fire in my veins, oh yeah, fire in my veins. You can stack the whole world on my shoulders, but I still walk through the soul, getting bolder, getting bolder. Locked in. Grind mode. Yeah. Alarm starts screaming, I don't hit snooze. Lace up tight, I don't plan to lose. Every rep paid, that's a new bruise. Every small win, that's a new fuse. Pressure on my back, I don't fold, I press. Sweat on the floor, that's a gold address. Pain in my lungs, that's a progress test. Discipline first, I let hunger rest. Storm in my head, getting quiet. Rules in my blood, I don't fight it. Fear in my chest, I ignite it. Turn struggle into steel, then I bite it, bite it, bite it. Grind mode, never off, never off, never off. Discipline the code that I run, I evolve. Turn weight into wings, I lift, I launch. Turn hurt into heat, I burn, I march. Grind mode, never off, never off, never off. Self-control, heavy like a chain, I rock from we lock the door. All of that is what I train for. This is my inner fire, out of storm. I rise higher every time it gets hard. Push through pain till the pain falls apart. I was made for the scars. I won't back down, I won't tap out. Keep that flame loud, turn my fear into power. Inner fire, out of storm. I was made for the war. Inner fire, out of storm. I was made for the war. Yeah. Clock it. Let's go. Alarm hit, feet down, no talk, just round. Sweat drip, that crown I earned, not found. Knees shake, still climb every rep, that's mine. Bite down, no wine, I'm built by the grind. Made in the pain, I'm forged in the fire. Everything earned, I rise, I get higher. Discipline, cold ambition on flame. Say my name, I'm made in the pain. Push through the burn, I'm breaking the chain. Self-made soul, I run through the rain. Locked in deep, I'm staying insane. Say my name, I'm made in the pain. Blood taste, that's fuel, heart race, stay cool, they quit, I rule. I bend every rule, late nights, no sleep, big goals, run deep. I soul, I read my promises, I keep, let's go. Made in the pain, I'm forged in the fire. Everything earned, I rise, I get higher. Discipline, cold ambition on flame. Say my name, I'm made in the pain. Push through the burn, I'm breaking the chain. Self-made soul, I run through the rain. Locked in deep, I'm staying insane. Say my name, I'm made in the pain. One more sip, one more step, one more breath, nothing left. Count that rep, fight that doubt till lights out. I don't bow. Made in the pain, I'm forged in the fire. Everything earned, I rise, I get higher. Discipline, cold ambition on flame. Say my name, I'm made in the pain. Push through the burn, I'm breaking the chain. Self-made soul, I run through the rain. Locked in deep, I'm staying insane. Say my name, I'm made in the pain. Yeah. Run it up. Go. Run it up. Prove 'em wrong. Hey, weight on my back, but I move it like it's gone. Keep that pace, heart too strong. All that talk in my ear, I turn it into songs. Prove 'em wrong. I was built for the grind, I was made for the storm. Put that work to the doubt, all gone. Hands in the air if you hit her, prove 'em wrong. Clock say quit, I say start. Sweat drip heavy, that's a badge on my heart. They throw shade, I just add to the stack. Every rep that I take, put my name on the plaque. Rep on fire, but I like that burn. Each step, each set, that's my turn. You can keep your fear, I'm busy getting strong. I don't need your lane, I'm building my own. Who gon' stop me? Not that voice in my head. Who gon' block me? I run straight at the head. Go if you doubt. Better watch this shit, I ain't done yet. Let's go. Prove 'em wrong. Hey, weight on my back. to cope, ain't time to go loud, this moment is open. Say I won't quit, say I won't fold, say I burn bright, when the night gets cold. I will rise from the wreckage, turn the pressure into gold. I was forged in the edges, where the story never told. Put the flames on my failures, let them light up all my skies. You can cage me, try to break me, but I only learn to rise. I only learn to rise. I only learn to rise. From the dirt to the throne, turn the pressure into gold. Watch me go. Get it up. Yeah. From the dirt to the throne, turn the pressure into gold. Watch me go. I was down bad, flow cold, eyes red, knuckles on stone. They said stay small, I said just wait. Built this fire in a one-room place, no cosign, just grind, no cheat code. Every setback just turn into beast mode. Talk heavy, but I walk there. Every closed door, put a lock pick on there. You feel that? Drum, thunder in your chest now. Every doubt that you had, turn it into fuel when it shouts loud. If they wanna see you break, let them all stay glued to the show. Cause the higher the stakes, the higher we go. I rise like this. When the world says quit, I clench my fist. Turn pain to a power I won't dismiss. Turn pain to watch me real quick. I rise like this. From the bottom, yeah, I made that flip. Every scar on my skin, that's proof, not myth. I fall, I crawl, I still. I rise like this. Big dreams on a hand-me-down mattress. Turn stress into sharpened tactics. Every note hit hard like practice. Not a whole crowd screaming that ad-lib. They try to box us in, we broke walls. Ran through every limit, they broke tall. Fear in the rear view, so small. Vision in front of me, so raw. You feel that? Blood run out of when you push through. Every voice in your head trying to talk you down, that ain't you. They wanna see you fail, let them keep on watching you go. Cause the bigger the wave, the bigger you roll. I rise like this. When the world says quit, I clench my fist. Turn pain to a power I won't dismiss. Turn can't to watch me real quick. I rise like this. From the bottom, yeah, I made that flip. Every scar on my skin, that's proof, not myth. I fall, I crawl, I still. I rise like this. Hands up if you came from the struggle. Hands up if you turn that trouble into muscle. This for the ones in the back of the line. You ain't late, you just right on time. Rise like this. When the world says quit, I clench my fist. Turn pain to a power I won't dismiss. Turn can to watch me real quick. I rise like this. From the bottom, yeah, I made that flip. Every scar on my skin, that's proof, not myth. I fall, I crawl, I still. I rise like this. Woke up in the ruins, dust on my lungs, scars on my knuckles, blood on my tongue. They said know your place, I said break that mold. Turn the pressure to diamonds, watch this dirt turn gold. Every door slammed, I learned lockpicks. Every setback, laid down basics. Turn my doubt into raw bricks, build my backbone out of that hatred. I rise on the wreckage, turn pain into leverage. They can't cage a storm, I'm way past the edges. I fall and I get up, knees torn, put my head up, say my name, say real. Let's go. I rise through the fire. Hey, I climb through the smoke. Every hit makes me higher. Every bruise, every choke. I rise through the fire. Rise up, I don't break, I get brighter. Get up, turn that struggle to power. I'm the storm, I'm the fighter. Eyes on the mark, mind in the zone. Blood in my shoes, still spring to the throne. They say slow down, I say watch this. Turn that pain into progress. Late nights, long days, muscle and will. Every setback, that's another skill. I don't chase hype, I just chase truth. Put my name in the dirt, I'll break out through the roof. I rise through the fire. Hey, I climb through the smoke. Every hit makes me higher. Every bruise, every choke. I rise through the fire. Rise up, I don't break, I get brighter. Get up, turn that struggle to power. I'm the storm, I'm the fighter. Locked in, breathe deep, one more rep, no sleep, one more mile, one more try, one more get till it's watch me fly. Watch me fly, watch me fly, watch me fly, watch me fly. Watch me fly. Who are we? Champions, champions. What we do? Rise again, rise again, rise again. Who am I? Built for this, built for this, built for this. Can't stop now. I don't miss, I don't miss, I don't miss. I rise through the fire. Hey, I climb through the smoke. Every hit makes me higher. Every bruise, every choke. I rise through the fire. Rise up, I don't break, I get brighter. Get up, turn that struggle to power. I'm the storm, I'm the fighter. Yeah, I was built for this. Turn it up. Staring at a ceiling crack. Same story on a loop in my head. All the you can voices talk loud till I learned how to talk back instead. Had nights I was scared of the mirror. Red eyes, but I kept that glare. Every scar on my chest like karma. Every setback a breath of air. They laugh when I said I'm next. Now I'm pulling my dreams out the dirt. Pressure on my neck, still stepping. Turn the weight into power, it works. Let's go. I've been down in the fire, in the cold, but the pain just hammered. Out the gold, if they doubt, let them doubt. I'm awake, watch me turn every crack to a gate. We rise through the wreckage. Hands up high, feel the message. Hands up. Can't kill a heart this relentless. for this round. Every rep a